Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 30 cryptos by market cap. We'll start with Toncoin and then we will go to Leo, Cosmos, Chainlink, Monero, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar Lumens, and we'll end with Quant at number 30. Let's get straight to it. So Ton against BTC, we are, I'm not so sure what is this. It feels to me like this is like a wave 4 to me, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Feels to me like it's 5 waves up for Ton against BTC. Feels like that, doesn't feel like a collapse yet. So we might still go a little bit higher, check out the highs over here, and then yeah, maybe we come back down after that. But again, in terms of tradability, I just don't see it yet. Not against Ton against BTC, Ton against USDT. We still have a target over here at $3, so we're still expecting a little more upside to come for Ton against USDT. Hit $3 and then maybe see some sort of a correction, right? I'm not too sure myself because this isn't exactly what I would consider as a high quality tradable chart pattern. So yeah, there's just not much to go on for Ton, so I'd be very careful about rushing into anything for Ton at this point of time. Leo against BTC. So Leo is Bitfinex's native exchange token, and we are already almost touching the skinny pink line, and I feel like yeah, we could be heading through, right? And Leo could be heading down, which is good. I think that we'll probably get some sort of a squeeze over here, right? A, B, C, D, E, and then a breakout for Leo's BTC pair, right? If Leo BTC is breaking out, then very likely Leo USD is going to be breaking out as well. So yeah, but there will be a downwards move first, right? So my suspicion is that we'll probably take out all the clusters of stop sells over here before we see some sort of a reversal, right? I'm just gonna assume this whole thing is a 1, this is a 2, we go for a 3, this whole thing is a 4, and then we go up, we went up for a 5, and now we're in a correction, right? 1, 2, maybe? Yeah, ABC, this could be an ABC down, right? Or this could be 5 waves as well. So the thing is, we're just not really sure, and we expect more downside to come for Leo against USD, because Leo against BTC has already started I feel that preparations are already being made for Leo BTC to break the skinny pink line. So be careful about going to a trade too soon for Leo. Things just aren't really looking that good for Leo, not at this point of time. So yeah, I know today's markets might feel like everything is kind of rising, right? A lot of greens, you can see it in the charts, but yeah, I don't know, I'm still largely bearish, right? I mean, of course I could be wrong, but until I see the signs that we are already in a reversal, I'm gonna keep it straight and tell you that I don't feel like it is a long call yet. It could maybe in a few months down the road, but not at the moment, right? Because the rallies have been pretty weak. Atom against BTC. Yeah, Atom against BTC. We might get something for Atom against BTC, but I'm not too sure myself. It's not something that's of high quality. Yeah, you could argue that this is a falling channel. We could be breaking out of the falling channel. Excuse me, for sure. But yeah, I wouldn't be putting on trades for Atom BTC, because we are just hovering around the skinny pink line. We are mucking around the skinny pink line. So I'd be careful. I wouldn't call this a go for me. But yeah, even for Atom against USDT, I'm not too sure what's happening over here, right? Can I consider this as 5 waves down to be completed? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's a very small one though, right? And then there's a very long crawl up, and there's a long crawl down, and I'm not so sure what's happening right now. Could we still head lower? Of course. If we head lower, right, we could complete mountain ranges, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3, 4, boom. We go lower for Atom against USDT. Absolutely possible. But we don't really see it yet. We're still under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still largely bearish. Until we break above the skinny pink line, we will still remain with our bearish bias for Atom against USDT. Yeah, I just don't see it yet. Yeah, no, it's too random for me. So yeah, be careful. Link against BTC. Link is a solid coin, but again, timing is everything, and timing is the most difficult thing to get right. Absolutely the most difficult thing to get right. And yeah, look at this clusters of stop sells over here. We've already taken out 2 so far. There are another 2 clusters over here, right here and here. So 2 more here. I don't know if you're going to be dropping all the way back down. Take out these 2 clusters, break higher. Yes, no, but you can see that, you know, the break of the resistance line over here, right? We attempted it once, twice, 3 times. Beautiful. Look at this. The existence of the resistance line is so beautiful, which means that it actually does exist, right? And you can see that things are actually highly manipulated, right? It lines up perfectly. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one. Yeah, I think there was an attempt to break, but the wheels will be, you know, other wheels is like wheels versus wheels, but the bigger wheels will be saying, nope, 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 you're not done yet. We probably want to accumulate a little bit more at the lower levels before heading higher. Right, but again, I think Link is a solid project. So yeah, not too afraid about it. You know, Link against USDT 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see the 5 yet. So my guess is we are in the midst of completing 5. And even for the wave 5 that's coming down, I think this is a 1, 2. We're in the midst of completing. We're in the midst of completing a 3, right? 4, 5. My guess is we'll probably go to sub $4. That's why we have 2 targets over here: 3.85, 3.47. I mean, of course, things can just rise up from here, right? But I don't think so. I think this is a 5-wave move towards the downside. Usually when things fall, it's in waves of 3 or 5. So my guess is this is a 5. That's my guess. Yeah, because this is a consolidation, and if you look, you know, into it, it looks a lot like mountains more than valleys. You can also see valleys over here. You know, you put on bullish lenses, you can see valleys as well, for sure. But I don't really feel like it is a yeah, no, it's very weak. You know, every time we make a rally, we get pulled down, right? We rally, we get pulled down. We rally, we get pulled down. We rally, we get pulled down. We keep getting pulled down. So the selling pressure is still there, and the wheels are not done pulling the price lower yet. So yeah, the bigger wheels, they just want to, you know, accumulate cheaper Chainlink, and they have to pull the price lower, and they're not pulling it lower yet. So, you know, yeah, and Bitcoin is also not really in a bullish reversal yet. So yeah, all the stars are not exactly aligned yet. It's still off, you know, towards 2 east or 2 west, you know, 2 north or 2 south. Yeah, it's just not aligned yet. Not at this point of time. Right. In future, hopefully in the second half of the year, things start improving, but I just don't see it yet. So stay safe, right? Monero against BTC. My fear is that one day, right, you know, my technical analysis calls maybe too, I don't know. Sometimes we might. I'm afraid that one day there may be too many people who put on trades together with us, and I feel like the whales might continue hunting for our stop losses. So I don't know. I hope it never comes though, but we'll see, right? If the day comes, I'm gonna have to put everything private. I have to do everything in a private setting. But yeah, I think for the daily it should be fine. So yeah, and there are no entry levels or anything. So I think it should be fine though. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Monero against BTC. So for Monero against BTC, we have targets towards the upside, 0.0154, and yeah, we're in a slow crawl up. We're above the skinny pink line, and the trend is bullish for Monero against BTC. So yeah, we're gonna remain with our bullish bias for Monero against BTC as long as we're above the skinny pink line, right? Monero against USDT. What is this? Yeah, Monero against USDT. Yeah, feels like we could be about to burst up, right? You can assume that this is a potential A, B, C, D. This is possibly an E, right? And we're just under the skinny pink line. So if this is a very big, decisive buying pressure coming in, right? Big green dildos towards the upside, then yeah, if you could break the skinny pink line and we break the resistance as well, and then maybe we see some sort of a retrace, right? Maybe a secondary big bullish reversal, right? A bullish chart pattern, maybe. And yeah, I think that could be something though for Monero. I feel like that could be something. Yeah, it feels like it. I think there's something for Monero. Is it possible? Wait here. So we'll probably push up. Yeah, maybe we'll do something like this. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, there could be something for Monero. Yeah, I think there could be something. So yeah, it could be. There could be. We're not too sure ourselves. So the thing is, we're not too sure ourselves. Monero BTC is already turning bullish, so it is only natural that the bullishness continues for Monero BTC. And if the bullishness continues for Monero BTC, very likely we're going to see the bullishness potentially start for Monero against USDT. So Monero USDT is kind of a slow mover in that sense. Not too sure though. Could be something though. We have to look into it more precisely, but I feel like there could be something. Yeah, this is a symmetrical triangle, and symmetrical triangles usually can go either up or down. Yeah, you'd be saying, yeah, what a great trader, up or down. Yeah, great. Yeah, but it's true. A symmetrical triangle could go up or down. So, and there are methods to trading symmetrical triangles. So we'll look more deeper into it in the smaller time frames. Ethereum Classic. In private. Ethereum Classic against BTC. Here we are. And yeah, so we cross the skinny pink line. We cross back up above the skinny pink line as it goes across. We're down. And yeah, potentially we could be going back up again for Ethereum Classic against BTC. So this whole thing could be a squeeze for more upside, right? This could be a wave 1. This is a potential wave 2, right? It could be in the midst of completing a wave 3, 4, and then 5. Ta-da! 5 ways up. Potentially. We're not too sure ourselves. Yeah, Ethereum Classic against USDT. Where are we? Yeah, this could also be a symmetrical triangle. Potentially. Right, and you can see that this kind of a falling channel. How nice. We're respecting the boundaries, right? We're respecting the resistance and the support. Resistance, support. Crawling our way down. How nice. So that's Ethereum Classic for you. We are still under the skinny pink line. Right, we made several attempts to break it, but we kind of got slapped down. Pa! Yeah, this is it, I guess. I can't be giving any... yeah, no, I just don't see the move yet for Ethereum Classic towards the upside. The reason being that there is a danger, right? That this could also complete as a descending triangle, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2. We could rise up to the skinny pink line as it comes down. Mountain 3, Mountain 4. And we can even collapse, yeah, much lower, right? To sub $10. Single digit Ethereum Classic. Absolutely possible. So, yeah, again, as long as we're still under the skinny pink line, we have to remain with our bearish bias. Until otherwise, right, until we see clear bullish reversals. And yeah, we can't, because, you know, like I mentioned just now, right? We went all the way up, but we rallied all the way up. Woohoo! But we got slapped all the way back down. Do you see that? All the way back down. So, you know, normally when things are rising, right? Let's take the previous bull run, for example, right? When things are rising, right? We consolidate, we continue higher, consolidate, continue higher, consolidate a little bit, continue higher, right? So this would have been sweet if we rose, consolidate, rose a bit higher, consolidate, rose a bit higher, consolidate, rose. This would be great, but no, we went all the way back down to complete a mountain. So this is bad. Not bad exactly, but you know, it's still bearish. You know, there's still selling pressure coming in for Ethereum Classic. So yeah, there is that danger. So we need to be very careful. Right. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are. Any clear signs of a reversal? No, I don't see anything. Yep, it was still under the skinny pink line largely, and we're still in a bearish trend. The last bull run at 2021, you know, Bitcoin Cash didn't experience any bull runs. Bitcoin Cash against USDT, as you can see it on the BTC pair, right? On the USD pair, yeah, we're completing a potential ABC, right? DE, we break out. Best case scenario, best bullish case scenario, but yeah, I don't know. I just don't see it yet, right? We might break the resistance. But it doesn't look that compelling to me though for a trade. Yeah, because Bitcoin Cash against BTC, we're still largely in a downtrend, right? Bitcoin Cash against USD, we're still in a downtrend. We're under the skinny pink line. So, yeah, I just don't see it yet. I just don't see it. Not at this point of time. Eventually, hopefully, but not at this point of time, right? Stellar Lumens against BTC. Yeah, I think we're going to take out the lows here and here. You can see that we are in a slow crawl down, and we're very close to taking out the lows here. We're probably going to take out these lows here. I don't know if this low is going to hold or not. So yeah, we could come down all the way, take out everything before turning back up, right? And so this could still be a huge move down, which yeah, another 42.97, about 43%. So be careful, boys. Be very, very careful. Yeah, this whole thing could be a three-wave move towards the downside, right? A, B, C. Right, we complete an A, B, C, pump, we go higher. Potentially. So, there you go. That's Stellar Lumens BTC, Stellar Lumens USDT. Where are we? We are here. Yeah, we are so close to 7 cents. And again, Stellar Lumens against USDT. You can see a very, very nice channel that we're moving down. Very nice channel. But I don't see any clear signs of a reversal yet. Eventually, maybe, but not yet. Could we take out the lows over here? I think we could. Pew pew pew. They will bring us to about sub 6 cents. 5 point something cents, 5.3, 5.4 cents, maybe, before we hit higher, right? If it's 40% against BTC, it could be, yeah, 40% against USD as well. So there will be about sub 5 cents, 4 cents even. Yeah, but we don't have targets for it, so we just can't, yeah, make a move. If I had to count, I will also think that 5 is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Done and dusted, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I also think 5 ways is already down. I would think that Stellar Lumens has already completed the moves down, right? Doesn't mean we can't go any lower. So yeah, I feel the end may not be too far for Stellar Lumens, and there could be a huge rally coming on for Stellar. So be very, very careful about going long, because again, I don't know how much lower we're gonna go, right? I know we're at 7 cents. We see a possibility for 4, maybe 5 cents, but again, it's just not really that clear, right? We're already very close to target at 7 cents. I think we would dip a little bit more, take out 7 cents before going higher. Maybe. Not too sure though, but if you look at Stellar Lumens on the bigger time frames, right, it looks a lot like Bitcoin Cash, right? There's a clear ABCD in the making. Can you see it, boys? And goes A, B, right? C, go for D, hopefully E, pump. Sayonara, bitches. We go to $10. Okay, wait, let's come back down to earth. So I think that probably once we are done accumulating, right, then yeah, I think that could be moved higher, right? And if you look carefully back in history, Stellar Lumens has a knack of, I don't know what's wrong here. I feel a bit tight. I don't think it's anything though, but anyway. For Stellar Lumens against USD, we're under the skinny pink line, right? Ever since breaking it, we tried to break above it, but we failed until we really truly finally broke above it, and then and after that we had a run, not exactly a true blue full-on bull run, you know, price discovery, new highs. Yeah, no, we stopped short of taking out the highs over here, and we just got pulled back down, right? Which is good, which I think that potentially we could complete another squeeze over here, and we hit higher. Potentially, right? Yeah, but the thing is, how much lower are we going to go? Is this it, or are we still going to go lower, right? So this is the question we are still not too sure about. When we saw a rally over here, right? I mean, if you see a rally over here, you might think that this is already, you might think that this could already be the start, but no, we got slapped all the way back down again before getting pushed back up. So even if you see a rally, we still need to see the chart pattern first before calling any reversal, right? The chart pattern actually did come over here. Okay, let me just draw through it. This is an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We broke out, yes, but we broke back down. but then we continue higher as well. So this isn't what I would consider as a high quality inverse head and shoulders, but this is still a inverse head and shoulders, right? It is still one, although it got invalidated, eventually rose as well. So Stellar Lumens is a bit of a strange cookie. It's a bit of a harder coin to trade over here. And yeah, the point is we broke above the skinny pink line and we stayed above it, right? Until we slice back through over here. And even after we sliced back through, we made several attempts to break back up, but we failed. And then, yeah, the bear trend started. And so we're down for Stellar Lumens at this point of time, at 7 cents. Yeah, and we don't have any... Yeah, I wish I could tell you that this is it, but we're still not too sure. So, but it's okay. We'll be taking a look at it every week, as long as it's a top coin, right? Quant against BTC. Quant against BTC is above the skinny pink line, which is good, which means that the bullish trend is already on for Quant against BTC. If anything, we would expect the bullish trend to continue for Quant against BTC. But the thing is, we're not sure whether if this is the low. Is this the low? Could there be a cheeky pull? Pew! Take out the lows over here before going higher. But still stay above the skinny pink line, which means that we preserve the bullish trend for Quant BTC. Yes? No? Not too sure myself. Quant USDT. Yeah, so for Quant against USDT, this is not good because this is a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. It looks like a head and shoulders to me, right? Yeah, we might also get something here. You know, this you can already see mountain ranges, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3. You know, every time we get pulled down. We get pulled down. We get pulled down. Even if we do rally right now, right? I suspect that there could still be another pull down over here, right? So yeah, you gotta be very, very careful. And anyway, we have a target fresh out of the oven for Quant at 747. 747 is an aeroplane. Woo! Okay, it doesn't look like an aeroplane. I don't know what is that. So the point is, yeah, we still have downside targets, and this looks bearish to me, right? There's selling pressure. So stay safe, stay safe. All right, I guess that's it for today's Crypto Top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one, right? See you. Ta-da.